Bam. Everything here. See what I show you? Money and the coke. I get all of them.
So, wasn't this for you?
I mean, wasn't this for me, man? You know, I wanted a job long time. And get on the team.
You won't get on the team, right?
A while now.
I trust the I don't see him to see him. You don't seem to think you all right. So I'm right with Mr. Bigglesworth here. What do you say? Do you smell Mr. Bigglesworth? Do you smell Daddy Kissy Kissy? Huh? You see him to smell boy shit.
Yeah, like that. I tell you, I get the money, I get the coke. Why you gonna get? Everything here. The money, the coke. What you want to see?
Let me see the goods.
Oh, that's clean enough. Yeah, man, everything good, man. Everything straight. That's the real shit. See, everything. Huh? Into the boss. Let him see it. Good shit.
You got this thing here all open up already, man. What you doing trying to do to me, man?
Oh man, you know it's too much pack up in one bag. 250 keys, you know how that is? 250. Real talk. Huh? And the money.
My type of guy. Sip.
What? Hey, I'm drinking, Mr. Amma. Nothing?
Cookie.
Cookie. My 250 keys, the money I on the table. What? Open this one. Huh? I know how that goes. Got it, your nose.
Mr. Bigglesworth? Mr. Bigglesworth? Mr. Bigglesworth? Stop. Cookie's good? Is good?
Yeah.
My type of guy. Doc. Alright.
On the damn right.
I like your style, I must say. Smell.
Money. That's that?
Doc.
Can't be here. I mean, everything good, man. Everything good.
Nice car.
Like my guy.
Love it.
Damn bad, man.
That there for the car.
For the car too?
Yeah. You just get on your foot and just start walking, you know?
I gotta walk?
Hey. You gotta walk. You wanna walk?
I wanna walk, man. I wanna walk. Anything else?
Where's the keys?
Keys, boss. It's the keys, boss.
Hey.
Keys right there, man. We have the keys.
Like I say.
I have the keys, I have the money.
Like
You
I
have
say.
the coke, you have everything.
Listen.
I only came over.
You get back to me. We get back on that, alright?
Yeah, man.
You get back to me. Straight?
Yes, sir. I go up.
My type of guy.
Cool, bro.
I'm sure with him, man.
You sure you live here?
He lives right over there.
You live right here?
Alright,
Hey, yo.
man.
Alright, normal.
Get your beat new boss.
To be your own worst enemy. I sit alone, the mirror, no, not a friend of me, not a friend of mine. Friends don't exist, cause with my back up to the wall, they don't give a shit. I'm only saying what you say to me.
Oh, so you been sex somebody in my bed. Now you would sex me.
Hey.
You know what? I can't deal with you. I just tired of you. you, the best thing, let me walk away. I tired of you.
I only mirror with your mirror be. Your reflection
come back,
showing
catch
me your enemy.
Mirror, mirror, take a leak. For my niggas while we drawing up these figures. Known to disfigure all the happiness configured.
Catch a leak first.
Nigga just trying to make it bigger, wish realer. The way I've lied to myself, assassinated characters to strive for myself. Lied for myself, brought the bad from the good. Killed all emotions, just trying to keep it hood. What's the goal and all of that? Just the cause they hungry for my steaks. My dad never planned when they took me from the set.
Saying what you say to me. I'm only showing
Yes,
what
boy.
you show me.
Man, boss, this nigga taking too long, man.
You dog.
Let me go in and deal with the nigga, dog.
Listen, this nigga's been there, be going almost an hour, you know.
Hour?
Almost an hour, we can go
Boy,
on.
I could have been gonna come back, man.
Hey.
I got this, man. I got this. I got this.
You sure you got it, dog?
I got this, bro.
You got it,
I got this.
Alright then. Alright, take a tie up.
All right, buddy.
Who send you? You want to tell me who send you?
I don't know.
Who send you?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
I'll cut your head right. Hey, who send you?
I don't know.
You know this video on, boy. Cut your hand off, boy. Who send you?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Wait, this boy, take a plan.
I don't know. It's yours looking for. It's yours looking for, man. Understand? Understand? But you, man, come on. Come, man. And that's yours looking for? This yours looking for? And now you remember the header? Now you remember the header? Huh? And that's yours looking for?
Yeah. Oh, Bishop mandé vos accoyer. Allez, on va parler
Call the
anglais.
boss. Call the boss. Call the boss. Call the boss. Call the boss. Call the
On va
boss.
parler anglais.
Call the boss. 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 Call the boss.
Spit a lot of sentences but no messages in their music. A lot of shit like that rider shit and they all abuse it. The music, they use it, that music is fake. Got a lot of murders according to what these rappers say. Say they got
That's the man there, boss. That's the man there.
That's him, yeah?
That's him.
Everybody want him to say something?
Talk to the boss, man. Talk to the boss. Talk to the boss. Talk to the boss. Talk to the boss.
Jack.
Talk to the boss.
Don't call me no Jack. You ain't know me, sir. You ain't know me. You on the wrong place, dog. You on the wrong place. See the US now?
I know
You on the
going
wrong
down.
place
I know
now.
going down. I get
You
it
ain't know
back,
what's going
Jack.
down? So you know what's going down. What?
Jack, I get it back.
Get it back? You don't want to get it back? You want it now. Sorry for
You
you,
ready for him
son.
to talk, boss?
Sorry for you, son.
You ready for him to talk?
You gotta talk. You gotta talk.
Ready for him to talk?
You gotta talk.
Please, man,
Talk
Jack.
now, man.
You ready for him to talk?
You gotta talk.
Let them talk.
Fry
Hey,
him.
but do your job, dog. Do your job.
Fry
I pay
him.
you. I pay you. I pay you to be honest.
Fry him.
Don't kill him. Don't kill him. You know what? You know what? You know what? You know you gotta get paid. You gotta get paid, right? For the no touche. No. For the touche. Right? You get caught for touche, right?
That's all.
Alright. So right now you gotta pay me my money so you can get paid. Talk to me now. 2 weeks? One maison semaine.
You know what he say?
I don't understand.
One maison semaine.
1 week, buddy. 1 week.
Listen. No. Hey, man, damn stupid. No, mind me, you know. Because when he was getting makeup, every day I was saying that, he was understand me. Now you don't understand me, right?
1 week,
Ça,
buddy.
tournez-vous encore.
1 week, buddy.
You don't understand me right now, right?
Regardez ça, tournez-vous encore.
1 week, buddy.
I get it 1 week.
1 week? What days?
Friday or Sunday.
Friday. That's a good day.
So you we kill him, boss, or deal with him?
No. Because you gotta get the money. You only gotta get the bill and things like that. So, one thing, get him.
Alright, boss.
You know where you gotta carry him, right? You know where you gotta carry him, right?
No, boss.
Tu vas connaître?
No, boss.
Même côté, à boucher, côté de l'autre, à boucher.
Okay, boss, not a problem.
Jack, you get the money, Jack, you get the money, Jack. Red. Alright, vas-y. Hey.
Même tout va la même côté.
Ah, boss.
Même tout va.
Yeah, okay. Be careful now. Last time, the same niggas, same looking niggas, that's he calling whatever he is, he do the same shit, this one don't do the same thing again. Huh? Same thing. I got no better to do than that.
What the hell? Where he is?
Hey, calm down. Calm
Just
down.
don't tell me calm down like
Listen. Just calm. Hey, listen.
Make loss.
Listen, please calm down, alright? If you only know what you've just been through, listen, just relax, okay? Listen, your clothes was extremely dirty and bloody, so you had to settle for this. Alright? Now you just need to relax. Okay? Good? Good. Just need to just What happened? Yeah, because my friend thought you was a thief or something.
What?
Yeah. If someone looked like they beat you like you stole something from them.
I was robbed.
They almost destroyed you.
Tell your friend hello safe from me. I am a thief. Could you untie me, please?
If I untie you, you promise you're not gonna hurt me, right?
Hate you? Why would I hate you? You done for me more than anyone ever did.
I'm not good at that. I don't trust people. Just in case.
Criminal, you gonna be tied down?
Just in case you think you wanted to do something, if it like cross your mind or anything. I just want you to know, two of my friends got pictures of you already. Just let you know. Don't laugh, I'm serious.
You ain't gotta worry about me, man.
I got you, I got you.
Good afternoon, boss.
Yo.
Mr. James here?
Who looking for James? Hey, make sure you catch that spot right there, yeah?
I got me to look for a job, bro.
Hey, man, well, he ain't nothing really saying right now. I mean, if you want to check back.
I can't leave a resume.
Yeah, you can leave a resume.
Well, you ain't got no business
Give
card?
back a call off. Yeah, I think my business card. I'm calling back for 2 weeks. Check on something.
All right, bro. Bro, anything, you know. I do anything, man.
Anything?
Yeah.
What's your name?
This could be the fourth one she up.
That's after baby?
Nah, me baby.
Only four.
Not mine. I know.
What?
She's strong, thick, calm, thick, and Harry.
She tell me last year, I wonder.
She like it.
She like
They gonna take a test. They gonna take a test.
We know the baby born.
No, yeah, make Grammy. I can't make Grammy.
Oh, but we can
Every time I can't make Grammy. Grammy said I didn't want you to child care baby from around here.
You believe what the Grammy say?
I believe what Grammy say.
Yo, daddy, what going? You mean you say you're sick, man? You come in never call me and tell me, man. Sure, where you on? I foreign me, don't worry about you, know. You have to call me, man. Yes, sir? Alright, so I'm going to link you tomorrow then, here? Alright. Hey, baby, what's going on, man? Yeah, you're really dealing with some business, man. You know the old man, sick and doing. You know, he's someone got to take over things. You know what I mean? Right now, just dealing with some business. Anyway, I can call you back later, see? Yo,
Yeah, boss. I'm full just in here when you looking for job.
Who here? What do you know it?
I know what's going on, man.
Alright. What do you feel scared on?
He said you ready to do anything, man. Man. Anything.
Yeah? Anything?
Anything, man.
What if this nigga call him mine? Alright. You can check it out. You can see what he dealing with.
Real talks about what? You be joking, man. Hey, Tapa. Nice and cold. Sabrina, look here.
Yes, Brian.
Talk going on. You leaving some money?
What? Top gone where?
Away? And leave us $4,000?
What you mean gone? Gone where?
You have something going on with I know about it?
No, baby, he could be in trouble. We been
What
here.
trouble, man?
We been here almost a month, and he ain't never leave no note before.
You won't see all this money he leave us?
Yeah, but we been here all this time. He ain't never leave no note before.
He answered his phone.
See? That ain't like him to not answer his phone.
He must be going on one of them drug runs, man. You know how he do. And he leave all this money for us, man?
Yeah, but that ain't like him to do that.
Enough of that talking, man. Stop that shit. You horny, man.
You always horny. What's wrong with you? You need to try calling him.
Baby, I handle this right now. You need to go in that room. Fix
You
yourself.
need to try calling this the man who took us in when we needed somewhere to stay. You need to call him. He could be in problem.
Serious talking. I think y'all got something going on, you know. Serious. You want to see all this money leave us?
That's not the point. Top could be in problem. He could be in trouble. Need our help.
Let me try
Come
one
on,
more time.
man.
He answered his phone.
And you are not concerned.
I got money.
That's all you good for.
I got $4,000.
That's all you good for.
Get yourself ready, man. I come right now.
Now listen, you was in my house for a few hours. You laid in my bed for...
Feel good too.
Oh really? And I still didn't get you in here.
Talk.
What?
What's yours?
Thanks, sir. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You sure? You know, men's clothes.
That is the best I could have done.
About your brother? No brother?
Not married. No boyfriend. No brother. I have one sister. She died. That's a good while.
Sorry to hear that.
That's alright. I get over it. Yeah. How about you?
No wife, no girlfriend. Just a son and a brother.
How old is your son?
He's 2.
And your brother, where is he?
Well, we don't talk much, we don't get along, so we still each other.
That's not good.
Can I use your restroom?
Yeah, sure. Just out the door.
Thanks.
On the left. Look kind of cute in that top too.
I'm good, yeah.
Woo-wee. Hour and a half. Who could do this? Woo! Oh boy. Been a while and I got it together. That was 3 nights. Do it right and you'll keep on coming. Hey, Daddy James.
Yeah, what's going on?
What you say about the...
Oh, use the fella that was used by the job. Man, ain't that now, man. You ain't qualified, man.
What? You mean I ain't qualified?
You ain't qualified, man.
What are these broke niggas, man? I got $4,000, man. Let me get this some more wine, you know? talking about. Man, these niggas can't live like me. Ballin'. I never seen this before. This looks expensive.
Brian, what you doing?
What happened?
Look at you in top robe and you drinking these champagne. What happened to you?
Man, don't watch nothing. He's my boy, man. That's how we live, man.
Did you call Top today?
Man, you gotta be juicing them there.
Don't even say that. Don't even go there. How could you say something like that? Top was the one when Ice was freaking herself out. We sleep on the ground. Top was the one who was actually on our side. Have you considered that? And that's supposed to be your boy, and y'all live like that?
I'm sorry about that, man. Yeah, you're right.
Come on, man. You don't live like that. You need to call him. Get your phone and call him.
Yeah, you're right, baby.
Of course I'm right. That's supposed to be your boy. Duh.
Baby, wait, man. I call him, man.
Whatever, Brian. Whatever.
Woman, can't live with them or without them, man.
Yeah. Wasn't saying that, though.
Wait!
Blowing and I'm getting no bands. Smoke a little bit of dope, be choking. Just chilling, they feeling like a million, eight to the billion, trillion token.
Baby, what happened? Sorry, baby. I didn't mean to hurt you.
It's not that. I'm just tired. I just don't feel like living anymore.
Don't say that. Don't say that, man.
What you doing?
Don't say that, baby.
I don't know what to do.
You want sicky? Huh?
I tried killing myself.
Don't worry. Be okay.
Top, he's the guy that caused all of this. Caused all of what? He was the guy I saw at the scene when Kevin was murdered. So why didn't you let the police deal with it? The police are taking too long. There's no such thing as too long. I can't live with this knowing that he's the one that do it. I have to get him back. I have to. So that's it. Girl, are you crazy? How dare you call me crazy? I thought you were my friend. Sabrina, I'm your friend. What you talking about? You know what? You can go to hell. I do this myself. Sabrina! Sabrina! Nah, girl, fucking crazy.
What?
Can we please for a second? Someone was calling me. Top hangs out in there.
Yeah, he's in there. You don't hang in there no more though.
Do you know anybody that he know that hangs in there?
So you have to get some money.
No, not really. It's just that I ain't seen him in a while, and he's an old friend, and I just wanted to know if he's still being there.
I think his boy is being there though. Brian.
Brian.
Yeah.
So Brian always in here.
He's been there every time we get off.
Every time you get off from work, you mean it like every Friday or something?
Every Friday.
Okay, good. So how does Brian like
Brian, I don't like Martin, they know not, so I don't know how he is.
Yeah, you understand.
He's black and he's short. That's all I know.
Okay, thank you
Hey,
so
before you can't give me your number, all this information, no number.
You know what? You can get that next time. Thank you so much.
Sure. Foolishness, eh?
Excuse me?
You may have a drink, man.
You look in
But you can't get anything to drink or something? So you're talking about?
Very brave.
No, you say you ain't got no money. No, you don't drink this.
Listen, I am a single woman. I live alone. Would you like to have something to drink?
Please. You say something?
Excuse me? You asked for a drink, right? I'm getting that for you.
And you look sexy getting that ice too, Jack.
Listen, don't even go there.
Yeah.
Alright?
Brown.
Let's see. I hope you don't feel offended. The fact that you are drinking like a something. And we're first thing in the morning, so.
So why you don't join me?
I did see. I'm working in the morning. So you enjoy your drink.
father, just me? Come on, man. Waking in the morning, I wake you up.
And now you got me putting my work aside. So, tell me a little bit about yourself. Like, what type of work do you do?
Sales.
Sales, alright, that's good. And what do you sell, you know?
Why you ask so much questions?
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I know it's none of my business, but yes, sir. I'm very inquisitive. Cheers.
I'm in the sales.
And what do you sell?
I sell drugs.
That's good. See, now that's a start. And I heard there is a lot of money in pharmaceutical business, you know. You're not talking about pharmaceutical drugs, are you? Talk, you are a drug dealer? Come on, how could you do this to people?
Now look here, I ain't never do nothing to no one.
Yes, you are, okay? Over and over, I've seen 13-year-old children, sometimes even younger than that, coming in that hospital just about every day, dying, and thanks to you.
Now look here, use a nurse to get drugs?
No, don't even go there. The use of my drugs and the use of yours are totally different. I use mine to help. You use yours to destroy lives, okay?
Man, I helping them, they're coming to me for help.
No, you know what? You need to leave, all right? You just need to go. Just go. Talk, just leave, all right? Leave now. You need to go. Don't talk. Just go, please. Just go before I call the police.
Just let me
As a matter of fact, you know what? For take example, are you setting for your son?
Now leave my son out of this.
It's too late. He's already in it.
Can I get some drink?
No. Don't touch my glass. Just leave. Go. You need special prayers.
What?
Something at the door?
Man, who that could be, man? That was the ice. Who it is?
Landlord.
Who?
Landlord.
Mr. Jacob.
You got some balls, eh? Who you want, man?
You're looking for ice. Ice in there?
They ain't there, man. Baby, you know who that is?
Yeah, that's the landlord.
Oh, sorry, Brad, man. Oh, that's that guy the other day?
No, you wasn't there when he came.
Yeah, man, I was there. I was just stepping out. I saw him, man. I'm top of the degree.
Yeah, I was
read him. Everything good, man. You can sit, man. Sit.
I'm sitting.
So everything good?
Yeah, mister.
They ain't there, so what can I help you with?
Hey, what you mean they ain't there? I supposed to come for my money.
They ain't there, man. The man going away and, I know.
Man, but you, what you doing over there?
Man, I live here.
I don't want you in the house.
Buddy boy, let me see if they leave anything for you. I ain't ready.
You better make sure and quick.
What talking about I ain't ready this house? This my boy house, man. That ain't your house. No way, I can't give this money. I can't give Jacob this money. I can tell Top it lost. What?
What happened here?
What happened there, man?
You find my money?
No, man, they ain't leave nothing. Hey, why you sitting so close to my girl, man?
Anyway, when the top come in, let the top now can come back for my money, huh?
Yeah, man. Roll off.
Anyway, tell top I can come back for my money, huh? Because you are joking, man. I can put you all out.
Roll, man, roll.
Oh. Okay. I can come back for you all, yeah? I ain't got the thing, I ain't got the money, though. I want money? Next time I can put you all out, man.
doing touching you?
Look at you. I supposed to be your girlfriend. The man was sitting there, you even asked him. What kind of man you supposed to be?
You slick, you know. Slick.
I slick, in which way?
Mm-hmm.
In which way, Brian?
Woman, man. You was a woman, you know.
The man was right there, you ain't even asked him. You ain't even tried to defend me.
Defend you for what? I see you was all over him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, really, Brian?
You ain't playing smart, man. That's why I broke now.
You broke because you didn't use your head. Look at what you doing in Top House. As a matter of fact, did you call Top today? Hold on. Brian, that was the landlord. You ain't give the landlord his money.
That's my money.
Hey, who's that, Mike? What you man know this is? Are you telling me what that foolishness, boy? Yeah, a couple of them white tears. Who's that? Oh, yeah, they teeth your white tears off the line, dog. You understand? You talking sense now. Let's be real. Now, but you tell me, boy, you serious? Alright, now, alright. Listen to me. This vibe gotta go off solid. Now, I ain't need no jokers. You gotta do this solid, you know. Alright then, you know what we can do? Dress code is black. Let's be like in the night. No, I ain't need no cowboys doing no foolishness. So we just do this smooth and try to make this paper go. Yeah. I don't worry about it. There's too much questions. Talk to me later. Yeah.
Blowing and I'm getting no bands. Smoke a little bit of dope, be choking. Just chillin', ain't feeling like a million, ain't that a billion, trillion token. Beside just look in your eyes, beautiful body, your body is a beautiful size. And then I'm a prize, perfect person, you. Pretty as a picture, sexy too. Love it when I'm with you, what you want to. Let's take it to the back, from the back we screw. Licking on your rack with a man going to. Play hard to get, baby, and I will pursue. I'ma make you wanna take me back. I remember when I made you mine. When you meant to make rough love, not a thug, but I almost broke your spine. Your special virgin wine got me.
As I say, I love you forever.
Baby, all this for me?
All that for you, baby.
Baby, where you get this food from? Because I know you don't know how to cook now.
But baby, you know how Grammys cook. What you talking about?
This only had to been Grammy food. Because you suck at cooking.
Baby, that's all for you, yeah?
On a night like this, with a life like this, so what's it? With a girl like you, with the moonlight dew, might make a baby. You might persuade me, you might get make me change my life, girl. Get a wife and a kid, I don't know, just maybe. I think out loud, baby, you so fine. I see your hips and they moving, baby. I love your grind, I love your dance, the way you moving, the way your ass crash, all the cars cruising. You super fly, leaving them stupefied, leaving them wanting more.
Don't believe it. I can get something.
ride, just look in your eyes. Beautiful body, your body is a beautiful size. And then I'm a prize, perfect person, you. You're sexy too. What you want to? Let's take it to the back, from the back we screw. Licking on your rack with a man going to play hard to get, baby, and I will pursue. I'ma make you wanna take me back. I remember when I made you mine. When you meant to make rough love, not a thug, but I almost broke your spine. Those special words you whine got Nathan all on your mind. Nathan all in your body. You see in the subtle signs. You smile with your body fine. It's like this, like all the time. Look at this for a kiss, let's kiss.
Sabrina, open this door. Sabrina, open this door. Sabrina, open this door. Sabrina, open this door. No! Please don't do this to me, man. Please don't do this to me. Oh, God. No!
What do you want to say? What do you say? I work like I was working at an 8-hour job that he real talk. Bloody. And I didn't a cop sound come because we strapped for choke. We got real gut, my boy. Yeah.
Ray, what are you doing?
Yeah, he's strapped. Yeah, anyone come up on us, we pop. Even the man. Oh, we got strokes. We just shooting the scene for Ghetto Story. Ghetto Boys, Ghetto Story. True events. Y'all look out for it.
The revenge of the rage of
and look out, yeah, it's the rage of Sabrina. Yeah. It's kind of crazy, man.
Rage of Sabrina episode what? Episode 2. TBR friends. Top. We got the biker boys out there. We got the biker boys out there, you know, representing.
We used to spit good rhymes. Yeah, it's a lot of work, guys. We're bringing it to yours, you understand? We putting a lot of work in, bringing it to yours. Yes, goddamn. Bleeding, man. I haven't been shot.
Alright, that's it. You ready?
Hip-hop ain't dead, she just lost for a minute. Think about it in your thoughts for a minute. Cause music is life, and hip-hop is our life. We keep on bebopping, no beef, just battling. Sweet music in the trunk, oh Lord, it's just battling.
Ready? Action.
My album won't sell cause I speak the truth.
Give us space, man. You gotta blow it up, you gotta blow. Move your hands so the blood
cause I am the truth. I'll probably start a war cause I speak the truth. My album won't sell cause I speak the truth.
Alright, yeah, right here is behind the scene, Brave TBR. Ghetto Boys, Ghetto Story, episode 2. You know, Rage of Sabrina. A lot of people is be saying, I know, you know, the movies be short, but believe me, when we are making it, it's not short, you know. But we'll try our best next time to see if we could expand a little bit more. But
it's an episode, and you know, we are not doing commercials.
Yeah, you mean Ghetto, right?
No, we ain't Ghetto.
Yeah.
Yeah, we on set behind the scene, working on Ghetto Stories, Rage of Sabrina. Well, y'all gonna love this one. We putting in a lot of work. Come on, putting in a lot of hard work into this. I know y'all gonna love this. Y'all love the first one. Everyone, it was good support, and we really appreciate it.
Y'all know that Mr. Basta. That's me.
The landlord.
Who this?
Jacob, landlord.
got some balls, eh?
That's a good one.
No, man, tough. Come on, man, tough. Baby, I'm sorry. Come here. What happened, baby?
I don't know. I don't know.
Everything's gonna be okay.
I forget my line.
Keep going. Sometimes I feel like I can't breathe. You ready?
No.
For yourself.
Sometimes I can't breathe.
Everything will be okay, baby.
I don't know what to do. I try killing myself.
You want sick, eh? But let me, man, come on, my top, man. This when the thing get my top. Man, come on, my top, man.